With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is bring about the following conversion. The conversion is ethane to ethanol. So in this question we have to write down the conversion from ethane to ethanol. So ethane is a hydrocarbon, that is C2H6, to ethanol, that is an aldehyde, which is C2 CH3 CHO. So this is an aldehyde. So we have to write down the step-by-step conversion of ethane to ethanol. So ethane, that is first converted to or oxidized to ethanol, that is C2H5OH, by reacting with oxygen in presence of copper as catalyst. So the reaction is, it can be represented as ethane, that is CH3 plus O2 in presence of copper at about 200 degrees Celsius. It is converted to C2H5OH. So this is the balanced equation, that is it is converted from ethane to ethanol. Ethanol is an alcohol and we have to further oxidize ethanol to ethanol. Ethanol is further oxidized to ethanol using alkaline KMnO4 or acidified potassium dichromate. That is K2Cr2O7. They both are very strong oxidizing agents. So they convert alcohols to aldehydes. It means ethanol, that is C2H5OH, it is converted to ethanol, that is CH3CHO. Its structure will be this, that is having carbonyl group. This is the aldehydic group. So this is converted to ethanol using either alkaline KMnO4 or acidified potassium dichromate. So this is the conversion, step-by-step conversion from ethane to ethanol. It is first converted to ethanol by oxidation with oxygen in presence of copper as catalyst at 200 degrees Celsius, and after that this is converted or oxidized to ethanol using alkaline KMnO4 or acidified potassium dichromate. So this is the step-by-step conversion of ethane to ethanol. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.